Hi, hello, my name is Hubert, and we both work at ProIDS. And today we would like to present you our hack, which is Domokom. And the idea behind Domokom is to enable interaction with Intercom installation, which can be at the office or at home, and it can be handled via mobile. So let's start with the basic use case where Hubert will go to the door, to the Intercom door station, and he will ring the door, and I will show you how to answer this on the mobile. So let's start.
So I'm at the entrance to the building, and now I will ring our apartment via intercom. And now, as we can hear, Rescom took control of the call.
Hello?
Hi Dominic, could you open the door please?
Yes, I'm opening the door. Wait a second.
So, as you could hear, we had a full interaction with intercom. Thank you.
Near the Domokom installation, this is the Raspberry Pi which is connected to the Intercom, and I see Hubert calling, so I will take the call and try the loudspeaker. Hello Hubert. Hello Hubert. Okay, so it's you. Okay, I will open the door for you. Wait a second. So I'm opening the door by dialing the TMF code. And now the door opened, Hubert is in, I will disconnect. Okay, so now I'd like to present you how Domokom works, how it is set up. So we have the custom Raspberry Pi, which contains the logic, the SIP client, which will intercept the call from Intercom. It is integrated in the Intercom network. And then it will ring RESTCOM, which contains the application logic, which can implement different scenarios. And the application logic will dial the SIP client on the mobile phone. And besides talking with the guest, the owner has the option also to open the door. And currently this is done by entering the TMF code. Okay, so now we would like to tell you a few words about some more advanced use cases. We will not show them live because of time limitation, but we will show how the application logic looks on in the RESTCOM Visual Designer. So we will show you parallel ringing, where we have several mobiles ringing in the same time. We will show you time-dependent call routing, where we have a schedule defined, which determines at what time of the day which user is called. And we will show you voicemail, where the guest can record a message, which will be then delivered via email to the Domokom owner. Okay, so in the parallel ringing use case, we have two users, Office and Hubert, which will be called in the same time. If none of them answers, there is an announcement which is played back to the user. Okay, the next use case is the voicemail. In case if the configured user does not answer the call, there is an announcement which is played back to the guest, and the guest can leave a message. It will be recorded, and in the next module it will be sent via email to the Domokom owner. Okay, so the scheduler. So this is an external application which is in the cloud. It defines a schedule where you have start time, end time, and users, which will be called at specific time, and it interacts with RESTCOM over the REST API. So how did the RESTCOM help us in realizing this Domokom hack? Basically, it was a SIP registrar handling SIP signaling, also media server, but most of all, it enabled us to quickly and easily develop several variants of application logic to implement different scenarios. And we think that it has really great capabilities of extension. We can integrate external applications which will provide even more complex logic.